One of the techniques to simplify presentation content for easier delivery is to divide complex information into clusters of 3. In this video, I'm going to talk about power of 3 and how we can use it to simplify presentation content. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentation inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentations, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hi, this is Tian Teck from Sticky Spy. Simplified content is required every time we use those content for a presentation. It is quite impossible to present complex information and expecting our audience to understand what we are speaking about. The power of 3. What is this? This idea existed for the longest time, and we see it being used in our everyday lives without realizing it. Very often, we see things in 3. When we have dim sum, many of the dim sum servings comes in 3. 3 siu mai, 3 ha gao, 3 char siu bao. And I love char siu bao. Every time I go to a dim sum restaurant, the first thing that I will order is char siu bao. Because if the char siu bao is good, then the rest of the dim sum will be good. But if the char siu bao is bad, then it's time to look for a new restaurant. When we were a kid, remember how we learn, or how we now teach little ones. It's always 1, 2, 3, or ABC. We always stop at 3, the magic number. Why? It's because remembering 3 things is easier than anything more than 3. It seems like most of us can remember at most 3 things at a time. Anything more than 3 seems kind of difficult. Applying this to our presentation design helps us communicate our ideas better. It creates stickiness in the presentation visuals and helps us deliver a better presentation. If you are still watching, how about giving this video a like and consider subscribing to this channel? It will encourage me to make more videos like this. Let's continue. Simplify presentation content into groups of 3. 3 key stories, 3 sections, 3 key points, etc. Enables us to deliver our content in a simpler and a more effective way. 3 is the number that most of us can remember. It is somewhat easier than 4, 5, or 6. During the iPhone introduction keynote, Steve Jobs of Apple said, "Today, we are introducing 3 revolutionary new products. The first one is a widescreen iPod with touch control. The second is a revolutionary mobile phone. And the third is breakthrough internet communicator device." And he stops at 3, nothing more. So the next time when you think about your presentation content, think about power of 3. It will help you better organize your presentation. What do you think of this approach of organizing your presentation content? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, how about giving this video a like? And remember to subscribe to this channel. Until my next video, try using power of 3 for your next presentation. It will help you present better. Bye-bye.